Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.
Hello and welcome to brand new series Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia and GCC 2020-21, powered by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. Through this series, we acknowledge the inspiring success stories of eminent Asian brands and leaders from across the globe who have enabled the continent to acquire a prominent position in the world. So, before we begin, let's hear it from the man behind the vision for the greatest brands and leaders, Mr. Rajat Raj Shukl, the global head and principal partner, URS Media Consulting and Asia One Magazine.
Asia One as a brand wanted to actually put the entire Asia platform onto a publication. Core of our business is research, these intellectual properties that we've created, and also these phenomenal summits that we've been holding in Mumbai, Dubai, and Singapore. When we think of greatest brands, subconsciously, some of us would start thinking of the European and the American brands, and nobody was really talking about the Asian brands and leaders. And we thought that let's put on platform brands from different regions. When we thought that we want to choose the greatest brands of Asia, we thought to create a scientific process, not only looking at market capitalization, but also looking at the social element behind your brands.
We also have a message from our special guest, Minister of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, Shri Arjun Munda, on the Go Vocal for Local movement, encouraging people to endorse local products.
मैं बिजनेस कम्युनिटी को ये आह्वान करना चाहूँगा कि आइए हम सब मिलकर के जनजातीय समाज के साथ जो लोकल और वोकल का कॉन्सेप्ट माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने दिया है, उस सपना को हम पूरा करने के लिए मिल करके काम करें। बहुत सारे ऐसे उत्पाद हैं जो उत्पाद हमारे देश के लिए और दुनिया के लिए आकर्षण है, वैसे उत्पादों को हम आगे बढ़ाएं और बिजनेस कम्युनिटी से यही अपेक्षा रहेगी कि इन सारे चीज़ों में वो अच्छा भूमिका निभाए। जनजातीय समाज इन कार्यों को सफल करने के लिए मंत्रालय की ओर से लगातार प्रयास करें। I must congratulate Rajat Shukl ji who initiate to promote the tribal and the dynamic leadership with the Narendra Modi, the country how to proceed and future.
Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders aims to highlight the real drivers of India's and Asia's economic engine, entities that are the critical pivots of growth. The first category is Asia One Person of the Year and Global Indian of the Year 2020-21. And the individuals and companies that were awarded in this category are Karthik Shethia, Vice President Asia Pacific, Middle East and Africa, Herman Miller. That took Dr. Vinod Shekhar, CEO and founder of Petra Group. Ramesh Gopal, Chief Risk Officer UAE and Regional Head Credit Middle East, North Africa and Turkey of Deutsche Bank. S. Venkatachalam, CEO of National Life and General Insurance Company SAOG, Oman.
Founded more than 100 years ago in Michigan, Herman Miller is a design company that has become synonymous with modern furniture. The brand places great importance on design, the environment, community service, and the health and well-being of its customers and employees.
Herman Miller typically has been a very human and people-focused company, and which really evolved from our heritage, where we wanted to design great furniture for people. But at the same time, we wanted to look after our own people. And because of which, in the last 15-20 years, we have been rated as the top company to work for by Fortune on few occasions.
To help customers get the best work from home experience, the company has come up with a special collection.
Right in April, we were able to set up online spaces for our customers to be able to access products for their home, so we could look after their well-being in their home spaces and not only at the workspace.
A diversified conglomerate focusing on wealth creation for all, the Petra Group has consistently strived to be the global beacon for social capitalism, to provide real and sustainable solutions for humanity.
The key, I believe, is to create wealth for yourself and lift people up with you, be it your colleagues, your employees, your community that you're working in, everyone around you. I am a capitalist. I'm a social capitalist. Now, to me, true capitalism is social capitalism. And what is that? Well, basically, I make money by selling a product or selling a service. That's capitalism. To grow my business, I need more people to buy my products and my services. But here's the thing. I need them to have the money to buy it. I need people to be lifted out of poverty into the middle class so that they have the funds to buy whatever products and services I have to offer. I want your money, but I need you to have it before I can take it from you. And so, this is something that should motivate all businessmen. All economic leaders should be playing a role in lifting people out of poverty, in creating a bigger middle class, because with that, we enrich ourselves. We increase our market share. If we don't do this, if we don't play a role in eradicating poverty, we cannibalize our own market. And when we cannibalize our own market, everything implodes and there's nothing left. So for me, these are the motivating factors. This is the vision we have for the Petra Group.
Next on the list is Ramesh Gopal from Deutsche Bank, who is being recognized for his contribution to the field of finance, education, and community service.
We live in a world of multidimensional risks, and I believe that we need to manage or minimize risks, and we cannot completely eliminate them. From this angle, Deutsche Bank has been an industry-leading risk management organization, and I'm happy to be a part of it. Outside of work, field of education and community service have been close to my heart, and I've been heavily involved in these areas. It goes down to the philosophy, you need to serve before you deserve. I've been closely connected with the youth in a few countries in the field of education, and this youth community, believe that we need to keep running to stand in the same place. While this is true, it is equally important for us to be grounded to advance further. While managing the risk for my institution, I look forward to shaping up the youth of today to make them global citizens tomorrow.
National Life and General Insurance Company is known as the first and the largest composite insurance company in Oman. It is a major health insurer with large market share, a strong network of branches, and intermediary brokers and agencies with around 200 combined touchpoints for policy sales and servicing in Oman.
Today, we are writing about $450 million. The profit, it was a loss-making company. Today, we make a profit of $50 million. Some of the strengths we built up in the company is the human capital. I firmly believe the human capital is a strength of backbone of any organization. Digitally taking the company forward, evidence-based decisions, these are some of the things which made us the market leader today. We are operating today in 4-5 countries, 650 employees, a massive growth. We are expecting to be a multinational company shortly. So we have a very strong team, big aspirations. The pandemic has also taught a lot of things to think differently. So we are hoping to take the company forward on a bigger growth year on year.
Let's take a short break, but stay with us as we continue with the showcase of success stories of Asia One greatest brands and leaders on the other side. Stay tuned. Welcome back. You're watching Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia and GCC 2020-21, powered by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. The next category is Asia One Women Empowerment Principles Leadership Awards 2020-21 that recognizes the achievements of exceptional women from different walks of life. And the individuals that were awarded in this category are Dr. Shweta Tripathi, Global Head, Knowledge Studio, Enzin Global Solutions, and Dr. Uma Rajaratnam, Vice President and Global Head, Applied Research and Collaboration, Enzin Global Solutions. Priya Anand Dakle, Partner and Chairperson, Dakle Industrial Plastics. Professor Susmita Samant, Pro Vice Chancellor, Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology. And Shweta Dhillon, Chairperson, Venkateshwar Signature School.
Enzin is a global professional knowledge enterprise that provides strategic advisory and execution of outcome-driven solutions to leading businesses, governments, non-government organizations, and not-for-profits. The company is leading in the energy and power industry with the help of inspirational women in their leadership team.
At Enzin, we pride ourselves for being knowledge practitioners who use innovation for solving energy and water challenges. I'm thrilled to say that our team has so far created a positive impact in the lives of over 90 million people across the world. I've led innovation programs for the use of artificial intelligence and robotics in energy and water resources management. Seeing these innovations take shape in real-life projects has been a very satisfying experience because I strongly believe that every single innovative idea has the potential to make energy and water resources management more simpler and much more efficient. My journey so far has been hugely rewarding. However, I feel there is so much more to be done.
Everyone deserves access to clean and sustainable life essentials like energy and water. I have led transformation programs focused on energy efficiency and rural electrification, which helped in saving 30 million units of electricity and carbon reduction of about 28,000 units. As I look back, I can say that I have positively impacted the lives of more than 1.2 million people.
Another woman who is making a name for herself is Priya Anand Dakle from Dakle Industrial Plastics. Established in 1984, the company has become a pioneer in manufacturing using fiberglass filament technology in India.
My vision is to be one of the leading company to manufacture customized FRP tanks and equipments in India. For long term, we plan to design several customized pollution control equipments to reduce pollution and help our clients with speedy pollution-free production, hence our contribution towards Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The key function area of my organization is manufacturing very high volume vessels like 5 lakh liter capacity on site as well as in our manufacturing units. The best feature about my brand is fastest delivery of customized products when compared to others in the industry. My biggest achievement as a leader was the expansion of our new unit in 2018. And in addition to this, I was awarded Social Entrepreneur Award 2020 for being a successful entrepreneur who understands her CSR responsibility very well in the industry and works hard for that through Srimati Madibai Sardarmal Dakle School and one of the book Knock Knock Let's Talk.
Founded in the year 1992-93, Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology started from a rented building with 12 students, 2 teachers and an investment of Rs 5,000 and has now grown into a prolific academic conglomerate and a world-class university. It has created a niche for its diverse and multi-speciality academics and research, maintaining very high in-campus placement records for its graduates. It is pioneering lots of social initiatives in the state of Odisha in the field of education, livelihood, spiritualism, skill, healthcare, etc. It is building smart villages, building smart panchayats, establishing tribal institutes for indigenous people, skilling thousands of unemployed youths every week and providing jobs, and also establishing COVID hospitals.
The leadership followed in the university is the leadership which believes in humanism and compassion, and the leadership we follow is the mission-led leadership we speak in the campus. The mission-led leadership, I say that KIIT has been established as a human development center where each one of the person, they follow the purpose for serving the people in a better way, and that purpose has led and developed a community where the people love to learn, love to contribute and love to cheer.
Venkateshwar Signature School in Raipur, Chhattisgarh, the first platinum rated green school in India, focuses on giving its students a global learning experience through its holistic learning approach. Established by the Dharam Foundation, Venkateshwar Signature Schools is the maiden venture of the Venkateshwar Group of Schools that harnesses the signature strength of its learners, propelling them to develop themselves as unique personalities with strong universal values, fulfilling their physical, socio-emotional, linguistic conflict resolution, and human connection needs.
I aim at paving path for our young travelers for the journey called life. They say, if you want to change your present and your future, you need to educate yourself and your coming generations. This is what motivates me to venture into education sector. I feel a person without values and principles is like a tree which is neither fruitful and neither of any help to others. At VSS, our motto, which stands for Value, Strength and Success, itself lays emphasis on values. We aim at bringing up confident global citizens who are rooted to their values.
It's time for another very short break, but don't go anywhere as we continue to throw the spotlight on the incredible journeys of various brands and leaders here on the show. Welcome back. You're watching Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia and GCC 2020-21, powered by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. The next category is India's Greatest Brands and Leaders 2020-21, and the individuals and companies that were awarded in this category are Hardik Surayan, Director Admin Grand Columbus International School, and Sanjay Mishra, Joint Director Apex Insurance Consultant.
Founded in the year 1994, Faridabad-based Grand Columbus International Schools stands on a sprawling 2 acres of land with a picturesque surrounding that provides the ideal atmosphere for young minds to blossom. GCIS has created a benchmark by making purposeful use of technology in school education and the use of interactive whiteboards and projection screens to integrate information communication technology with classroom learning. The campus also includes state-of-the-art laboratories, excellent sports infrastructure, a world-class library, a grand auditorium, GPS tracking devices in buses along with instant messaging alerts, thus providing all modern facilities to cater to the needs of the students.
Last decade, we have seen a meteoric rise in our growth, and we have become one of the most prestigious schools in Delhi NCR. Some of our salient features are that we are pioneers in whatever we do. We have a very good R&D team that works at the back end. We have a very good infrastructure, be it technology, be it student-centric infrastructure. And we also have a training program for our teachers so that they keep up to date to the current times. And during the COVID situation, we took it as a challenge, and we trained our teachers in imparting online education, and we provided them with the full IT support. That included, we provided each teacher with a laptop and a graphic pad, and after that, be it software wise, we provided them with the best of the software available in the industry. And as a result of that, we were the first school in Faridabad to be providing complete online education to our students from pre-nursery to grade 12.
Apex Insurance Consultants Limited (AICL) was established in the year 2000 with the purpose of helping Indian medical professionals. The company played an instrumental role in the acquisition of proper risk management teams in various medical associations across the country by offering end-to-end solutions for crisis management.
From well-organized planning team to professionally access the scope of the problem, to developing a spontaneous plan, testing the plan and keeping the plan up to date, we have full expert command on each and every step. It's really a matter of pride and satisfaction that Apex is always ready for its members in any event of a crisis that they may face. Whether it is predictable or unimaginable, our contingency planning is always in place. We, with our unique expertise, are working in more than 26 states and have a great track record of carrying out some effective crisis management operations in the medical sector. Our efforts and story are instrumental in acquiring the proper risk management teams in many medical associations across the country. Our service offers to cover each and every crisis of a doctor from professional to personal and is one of its kind initiatives in the world. For Apex and doctors, the bond of priceless services began 20 years before, and over the years, the relationship has continued to deepen. Apex does anything and everything in Diggle for doctors. We have been solely responsible for all the investments, improvements and success of AICL. Right now, we have more than 2.5 lakh active database and working engagements of doctors and hospitals in India. Our increasing client base and net worth show that we have a wonderful future in transforming this business to the next level.
Well, those were the stories of companies and individuals that have redefined leadership and businesses across Asia. Hope you enjoyed watching the show. It's time to wrap up now. Goodbye and thanks for watching.
Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.